AIT really gives our students that experience they need in the classroom to move into these up-and-coming industries.
This has opened up the door a lot for me. It's kind of cool to see how the future's progressing, and I want to be a part of it.
AIT, Automated Industrial Technology, is really about the manufacturing field, but the technician level of it. So we teach students how to troubleshoot mechanical stuff. They're able to troubleshoot electrical. They're able to troubleshoot some programming as well.
Then we tie that to PLCs, which are programmable logic controllers, and tie those also to robots and to a system and how they work.
And the skills that we teach translate to any manufacturing facility that you'll find. One of the best things about the AIT program that we offer is that we get that hands-on experience.
I get to play with the robots a lot, and I like that.
It's cool to see something in the system and the computer, and you get to see this is supposed to do this, and this is the next step, and then seeing a robot actually take those steps and put it to work.
What's really important about the program or going to the school in these classes is that you're not just going to school and get a job. You are starting a career.
One of the things that you can be for sure is job's going to be waiting for you. In fact, I have seen people not even completing the program yet and already being hired.
There's nothing about it that's not worth it. The experience, the fun, the people you get to meet, the knowledge you get to gain, and the opportunities it opens up for you down the road are endless. There's really no reason not to take it.